Hello, good morning student. Myself Roshan. Today I am going to teach you the new topic. From that I will teach you the first important topic out of the HTML syllabus, in which the heading tag is very important, because whenever we want to write the different problems related to heading tag, just these are the different files for different topics I have created just only for you student. Whenever I click over the file, I click over the file name headings, I have given the name of that file as a headings.html is my file created by the notepad. So right now I am just click over that and opening with the Internet Explorer. This is my browser, Internet Explorer. There are different browsers also available in my computer, but out of which Internet Explorer is a basic browser for showing you the output of the relative program. So my program is, the output of the program is like that. This is the first heading, this is second heading, this is third heading, and this is a fourth heading, this is fifth heading, and this is a sixth type of heading. You can see different type of headings there. From here, this is the first heading, second heading, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Whenever you look at the first heading up to the sixth heading, the size of the text, size of the sentence is differ in the different headings. Whenever you're writing there the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, you can write anything, means you can write any text here. I have just typed one example from that for giving you the better knowledge related to the heading tag. So there are total 6 type of heading from H1 to H6. Whenever I am writing the text in between the first heading name H1, then the output will be like that. Whenever I will write the text inside the H2 type of heading, then the sentence will be look like that. Means sentence can be anything. You can write your own sentence there also, but the output of that sentence will be looking like right now you are watching over your screen, that the output will be like that. So for presenting our text or our created web page, there are different sizes available by default inside the HTML language. The different sizes for the text are from H1 up to H6. So whenever I use the different sizes, I am getting that type of output. For watching the coding part of that web page, I am just opening my file that I have saved inside the F drive. At the last video we have seen how can we create our program inside our computer. Here is my F drive, and HTML programs for 12th is my folder name, and these are the different files I have created. I will teach you all the details about the different topics. Our today's topic is heading. So just I have already created that file, because video should be shorter. and I will be very fluently, very easily teach to you with already created file. So that I am opening the file with a notepad by right click over the file. This is my heading file I have created. You can give any name here. So just right click over that and open with a notepad. My file will be open. Here you can watch, here you can watch the BR tag at the end of each line. So why I have to use BR tag? We have already learned about the BR tag in the last video. This is the window of a notepad. We can maximize it or minimize it as per our use, as per our need. We can open it. Just I am opening also the output of that program and my notepad file, so that it is very easiest way to look at the output and input at the same time. This is our output over the browser name. Internet Explorer is there, and this is the input through the notepad. Whenever I write the program like that, the output will be in the different type of sizes. The sizes from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 are there. You can use any of the size for writing the web page content. Whenever you create your web page, then sometimes you need to present the text with the bigger size, with the bold format. Then that time you can use H1 size. H1 is very best for giving title to the web page or give the title to the content. Okay. And the H2 size is at least you have to type the text inside the H2 whenever you express the definition type of part inside the web page or important topic explanation with the H2 tag. You can type your text inside the H2. That text will be appear like that. You can see the output. At the same time you can easily see the output of the input file. If I am changing here by deleting BR tag, what will happen? All the text will be present at the same line. If I am deleting BR tag, what will happen? The text at the next line will be appear at the single line. Just after changing, just save by Ctrl S or click over the save option in the file menu and click over the output screen. Just refresh from here. After getting refresh, what has happened? You can look at the output screen. No change will be occur there, because with the heading tag, generally the text appear at the next line automatically when you take the different heading tag. At the first time you have to decide what you want to show at the output screen. Then just the different heading tag will be helpful for you for showing the different text over the different line automatically when you take the different headings H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5, H6. Otherwise, when you delete the BR tag, what will happen? Automatically the text present over the next line will be appear at the single line. We have already discussed about the BR tag in our first video, so I hope you will better understand with the first video about the BR tag. There will not be any change after deleting BR tag, so there is no need to take BR tag inside the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 tag. So this is very important for presenting the output over the output screen. You can look at the output screen, is appearing very greatly with the great effect. If I am inserting BR tag here, what will happen? We will see. We will see the output. The space has increased in between the two lines, but right now I am deleting the BR tag and then I am getting refresh. Nothing will be happen because the changes will be occurred at the first time. After that, if you want to do the changes, then use the latest browser for that. Just we will use the another browser, Google Chrome. It will shows the latest output as the input, we have used already. For that, just try to change at the first time. When you want to change, then that changes will be occurred at that line only. So don't try to use BR tag in between the H1, H2, H3, H4. Directly you can type the different headings H1, H2, H3 up to H6, and whenever you want to use any of the heading in your web page, just use the open tag of that particular heading and close tag after the text you want to input, you want to use the heading in your web page. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.